Congress General Secretary Digvijay Singh launching a very strong counter at the Aam Aadmi Party, saying their leader, the Yogendra Yadav, was in fact negotiating with the Lieutenant Governor, adding that this was a face saver for Arvind Kejriwal and that the Aam Aadmi Party took what they got. This is what we had put out late evening on Tuesday here on Times Now 2, that what the Aam Aadmi Party did, they cannot claim victory. It was actually a face saver. They took what they got, climbed down from suspension or transfer to the police officers going on leave.
His protest. The BJP claims, sir, that this was a drama that was enacted by the Congress and AAP in collusion.
I think they are great in writing fiction. There is no question of any kind of an understanding. In fact, I'm surprised that Mr. Kejriwal has said that we will not negotiate. It's not a grocery store. But ultimately, they did negotiate. Mr. Yogendra Yadav negotiated with Lieutenant Governor. So therefore, I don't know whether to take for their word or not.
It was a face saver, do you feel, for Arvind Kejriwal, because they realized that public opinion was going against them?
Absolutely face saver, because they came out with no compromise, no negotiation. Everyone should be suspended. And now they agreed on the issue of 3 people going on a leave, out of which one was already on leave. So I think it was a face saver for them. And
but sir, their law minister, Somnath Bharti, continues to be in his position. That young woman has already said, she's recorded her statement before a magistrate. She's identified Somnath Bharti as one of the people who got her picked up from Khidki Extension. Do you think the case is really building up against Kejriwal's law minister?
Well, I have told you often, Mr. Kejriwal has no respect for law and the rules as such. Even when he was in the government service, he did not ever look at the service rules in the right perspective and did not follow them also. I had asked 27 questions in an open letter which he never replied. He wants a reply from everyone except he doesn't want to reply to anyone else. Now, there is a court order that all agitations should not be anywhere except Jantar Mantar. In spite of that, the Chief Minister himself violated the court directives. That is for Arvind Kejriwal ji. Now, Mr. Bharti is the law minister. And obviously, he's an advocate also. Although a law minister doesn't have to be an advocate. So, in spite of the fact that he's an advocate, a practicing advocate, strictures have been passed against him by the judge for manipulating the records. On that, Mr. Kejriwal says, no, it's all wrong. What Mr. Bharti is saying is correct. So he has brushed aside
His own person.
Brush aside the court's order. Had Congress party done anything, said anything like that, the whole civil society movement would be on our head. But they are keeping quiet. Now, under what law has the law minister got the right to go and raid a house or raid or force a woman to go through a test? There is a law of the land which has to be followed. If the law minister of Delhi does not follow the law, who will follow the law? There will be anarchy.
Do you think he should quit pending an inquiry?
No. The Delhi police should act against the law minister because he has interfered in the functioning of the police. And there are provisions of the law. Anyone who interferes in that is liable to be prosecuted. Why shouldn't the Delhi police not file a case against him?
And he should quit pending that inquiry?
Well, that's his conscience, because then Arvind Kejriwal says, I don't accept anyone. No conscience, no law, nothing for him. जो केजरीवाल कहे वही सही.
Thank you so much.